Hi, and welcome. My name is Alo Reyes, and I do a lot of the content, well, all of the content here on the Honeyfire YouTube channel. Today, I want to take a special half hour to talk about something that's very near and dear to my heart. This is a salamander. Why don't you punch it on his little face, cameraman? This is my salamander, and his name is Mitch. Salamanders are a cool species of amphibian, and today I want to talk all about them. So here are 69 facts about salamanders. Let's go. Starting off with the first fact, salamanders are actually amphibians. They look like lizards, but they're actually amphibians. So next time you go, hey look, it's a water lizard, just know that's an amphibian. Fact number 2, salamanders start the same way as frogs. They start by little tadpoles, and then they go to another stage where they grow some feet and arms, and then they lose their gills and they turn into adult salamanders. Fact number 3, salamanders should always be moist, and that's why their skin is always so slimy when you touch them. I'm gonna go in. This bucket's not that cool. Off you go, boy. Little salamander. Welcome back. Salamander fact number 4. Because of their love for moist and dark places, you can usually find salamanders in places like woodlands, rotting logs, and some wet areas in the dirt. Salamander fact number 5. Tiger salamanders are one of the many species of salamanders. Did you know that tiger salamanders are a mole species of salamanders, and they are voracious predators? Salamander fact number 6. Tiger salamanders will eat almost anything, just like actual tigers. Salamander fact number 7. Salamander tadpoles are usually called water dogs. Salamander fact number 8. Axolotls will commonly be mistaken as water dogs, but they're actually not. Axolotls are tadpole salamanders that never reach salamander stage, but water dogs do. Salamander fact number 9. Salamanders are nocturnal. Salamander fact number 10. Giant Chinese salamanders are the largest salamander in the world. Salamander fact number 11. Some salamanders have a tongue as 10 times longer than their body. That's a big tongue. Salamander fact number 12. Salamanders can live up to 30 years, though most of them die before they even reach salamander stage. Here's a little story. Salamander fact number 13. Salamanders were thought to come from fire itself. Back in the day, they used to burn logs for firewood, and salamanders would scurry out because they were getting roasted. So then, many people thought, they were born from the fire, and they're from the gods and have mythical powers, but no. They were just getting roasted. Salamander fact number 14. Salamanders will recognize their owners during feeding time. Salamander fact number 15. Tiger salamanders can get up to 14 inches long, but they usually stay around 6 to 8 inches. Salamander fact number 16. Tiger salamanders love to burrow underground. So if you have a tiger salamander and it seems to disappear, it's probably just in the ground. Salamander fact number 17. Tiger salamanders are known to beg for food, so you shouldn't be worried if they keep on begging. If they're at a good weight, they're healthy, and you shouldn't feed them too much. Salamander fact number 18. Tiger salamanders have very small teeth. Salamander fact number 19. Tiger salamanders are the largest terrestrial salamander in the world. Salamander fact number 20. Giant salamanders only live underwater. Salamander fact number 21. Tiger salamanders are the state amphibian of Kansas. Salamander fact number 22. Tiger salamanders have great camouflage and will stalk their prey before striking. Salamander fact number 23. A tadpole salamander usually loses its worm-like gills when transforming. Salamander fact number 24. If you're planning on keeping a tiger salamander, a 10-gallon tank will give them enough space to live. Salamander fact number 25. Salamander comes from the Greek word meaning fire lizard. Salamander fact number 26. A few years ago in China, they found a salamander fossil dating back to 157 million years ago. That means that salamanders were probably chilling with the dinosaurs. Salamander fact number 28. A siren salamander has both gills and lungs. It kind of looks like a tadpole salamander without legs. It's kind of like a long, Furby version of a tadpole salamander. How about we get a picture on the green screen here? Whoa, there it is. It's pretty big. Salamander fact number 29. Salamanders are very cute. How did that get in there? Salamander fact number 30. In the popular game Resident Evil 4, there's a salamander boss. Salamander fact number 31. Tiger salamanders comes in various patterns, such as yellow skin with black spots, yellow skin with black stripes and greenish skin, and sometimes even red. Salamander fact number 32. Salamanders can regenerate limbs. Salamander fact number 33. When explorers found the giant salamander fossil, it was thought to be a fossil of a prehistoric man. Therefore, in some translations of giant salamander, there seems to be the word man in the name. Kind of a homage to that mix-up. Salamander fact number 34. There are 500 types of salamander species on Earth. Salamander fact number 35. Salamanders secrete mucus over their skin so that they can keep moist. Salamander fact number 36. Additionally, the mucus that they secrete also maintains their salt balance while they're in the water. Lastly, salamander fact number 37. Salamander fact number 37. The mucus they secrete. Lastly, salamander fact number 37. The mucus also helps as a lubricant while swimming underwater. Nailed it. Salamander fact number 38. All newts are salamanders, but not all salamanders are newts. Salamander fact number 39. Salamanders are usually found in the northern hemisphere. Salamander number 40. A minute salamander is the smallest salamander in the world, only getting around 1.1 inches. Huh. I wonder what a second salamander looks like. Salamander fact number 42. Salamanders are laid in eggs, similarly to how frogs are laid in eggs. Salamander fact number 43. A yellow-spotted salamander has its yellow spots to warn predators and say that they're poisonous. Salamander fact number 44. Lighter-colored salamanders live their time underground or in caves. Salamander fact number 45. Tiger salamanders have 4 toes in the front and 5 toes in the back. Salamander fact number 46. Most salamander species are endangered. Salamander fact number 47. Going back to the last salamander fact, there are a lot more salamander myths, legends, and stories and tale folklore, all talking about how salamanders are majestic lizards and that they're born from fire. It's all just not true. Fact number 49. A lot of salamanders are endangered due to habitat loss and deforestation. Salamander fact number 50. Some salamanders have teeth. Salamander fact number 51. Salamanders are very good at hiding. Salamander fact number 52. Giant salamanders look the way they do because they match the stones and river rocks that they inhabit. Look at that. Can you spot the salamander? Can you spot the giant salamander? It was behind me the whole time. Oh, you. Salamander fact number 53. Salamanders can lay up to 450 eggs at a time. Salamander fact number 54. The Olm salamander kind of looks like a spawn from hell. It just kind of looks like it's kind of a unearthly like creature that should be destroyed. It's not cute, and it's terrifying. I don't like it, and honestly, I wouldn't be sad if it went extinct. I do want one though. Salamander fact number 54. The salamander diet is very big, and it goes from eating things like worms, crickets, other worms, mealworms, roaches, and sometimes even small mice. Salamander fact number 56. Salamanders are cold-blooded. Salamander fact number 57. Salamanders like to make their houses in hardwood forests. Salamander fact number 58. The salamander tadpole usually eat things like zooplankton until they get older, where they eat bigger things. Salamander fact number 59. The long-toed salamander is a mole salamander. Salamander fact number 60. Mole salamanders are more of a subspecies of salamanders, and they're called that because they like to dig underground and make burrows, just like actual moles. Salamander fact number 61. When threatened, salamanders give out a slimy/mildly sticky toxin to dissuade predators. Salamander fact number 62. Tadpole salamanders have feather-like gills. They look like that. very wormy, feathery-like gills. Salamander fact number 63. Salamander poison can be bad tasting or even cause pain. Salamander fact number 64. There is an Olm salamander that has never moved for 7 years that scientists discovered in a cave. You ever try not moving for 7 years? Because I haven't. Salamander fact number 65. Salamanders live in bodies of water such as lakes, creeks, or brooks. Script for this one. Salamander fact number 66. Axolotls are very endangered and are only found in a specific lake in Mexico. South Mexico to be specific. And the lake is called Lake Xochimilco. I don't know what that is. Salamander fact number 67. Salamanders don't have claws. Salamander fact number 68. Salamander feet change depending on the habitat they inhabit. You know? This could be a tiger salamander. This could be a this could be an Olm salamander. This is my gang sign. Last but not least, salamander fact number 69. Tiger salamanders breed in this way. The male drops off a sperm sac, which then the female picks up with the lips of her cloaca. A cloaca is a 3-in-1 hole that is used for poop, pee, and sex. Or in this case, FedEx. Thank you so much for joining me on this half hour and exploring the very cool lives of salamanders and the 69 facts that they have. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope we had fun here. I certainly did. And yeah, if you wanted any other animal and 69 facts of them, be sure to drop them in the comments. And if you made it this far, why don't you comment your favorite salamander fact? My name is Olo Reyes, and this has been 69 Salamander Facts. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. You know, I did a poll on Instagram, which was my take on, America and how it's kind of falling apart right now. Or salamander facts. And let me just say, I am so glad that it was an astounding yes on salamander facts. There was like 32 people who voted for salamander facts and like 8 people who voted for my opinion. Let me tell you something. I don't even have one. If I had to do a video on that, I would still do salamander facts. So, love you guys. Bye-bye.